Hi there my beautiful audience, welcome back to One Me School. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add default browser at Windows 10. So let's enjoy the step-by-step tutorial. First of all, we need to click on the start button. So you can see that I already clicked on that, and here is a search bar. So I'm gonna type here default. Okay, so click on that, and yep, it's opened a new window. Alright, so we need to scroll down, and you can see here web browser, and it's already Microsoft Edge installed as default browser. So such that for an example I'm gonna edit Google Chrome browser. So click on that, and yep, that's it. We already done Google Chrome as a default browser. So that's the videos for today. If you like my videos, please push and hit on the subscribe button. Let's see you in the next videos.